What's up? I'll do another one of these.
It will too. Here come the cops.
Oh,
Every year.
hey Aaron, there's the cops. That's for you.
Yeah, yeah. They're gonna say them little cubes.
I don't fucking know you did it because you're not.
I just met the dude.
I just met this motherfucker. I don't know the fuck who he is.
He come up and was like, I want to pop
He
his
just fucking
fireworks.
like walked up the
I don't know
fucking
who he
bridge
is.
and shit. I don't know the fuck he is.
Yeah. He said, do you want to pop some fireworks? We said, whatever.
We have one more. You got a tube?
I'm like, bitch, I don't know you.
I got a tube top.
I don't know you.
I don't know you.
Mom said, I don't know you.
I'm nosy. I know you.
Whoa!
I'm still continuing.
He just like clapped back with it.
We need the dang thing.
Oh! Oh, shit.
Oh, hell yeah. I don't know who this man is.
We don't know you.
We don't know you. Are you okay? It went right towards your face.
I know.
Are you okay?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. But
Wait, he's just laying down there. Is he okay?
is he?
Okay, I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. He's not coming out in my.
I don't know you.
Oh, here he goes again. Hey, close the door. Don't let my dogs out. Don't let my dogs out. Oh. Oh, here we go. What? I swear, if one touches my truck, it's over. Oh. Huh. Doo-doo-doo.
I need another pack. Here, Fawn, hold this one.
Oh my God.
There's all kinds of tubes.
What are you doing? Oh my God. Ah! I hope you got a splitter. That's how my
Sliver in
dad.
your hand,
That's
you
how my
little
dad
silly.
and them used to do it in Texas.
You like a Muppet?
Oh my gosh.
Don't you do no more.
That it?
He put it in between his thumbs like dad and them used to do, and he.
Skinny.
Should we do any more? Or how we doing? I got a good number off that time.
Pull one and shoot them all off at the same time.
Well, I'm
Grand
trying.
finale, huh?
Yeah.
Too bad, guys.
The thing is, they have to be free of each other.
That's the trick, huh? That's the rumor.
Yeah, you need a pipe for that. So we
Every
can
time I
stick it
hear
in the
that, you need a
ground.
pipe.
Where's the pipe for it?
I don't got a pipe for that. I got a pipe or two. Boom, boom.
Need a proper.
You gotta do that big one.
No.
You gotta find that too. Trying to figure where.
I know, huh? Where would one be? I don't know.
Look at that one right there. See,
Those are safe,
there.
but those are safe and sane.
Yeah. That.
For real, those are them safe and saney ones.
Hey.
Yay!
Huh?
Mom.
We went, yay!
You're all gonna
I'm
listen.
glad they did it.
Now we need to blow
Now
up
we
this
can do
bomb.
ours
Fuck
even
that shit
bigger.
over there. Now we gotta blow up this bomb right
I'll
here.
do it and put it way out in the field and do it.
Put it out there. Let's fucking rock.
It has to be way, way out there.
And
Rock
thank God for the
You
rain.
need to get
No.
a pipe.
This is a pipe. This is a cylinder.
That's
fucking.
not all it will
Hey,
do.
hey, what about this thing? That thing that was like that sheltered ET.
It needs to shoot out.
Oh. She don't ask Austin that. No. Sorry. She's got jokes. Still got
Where's
it.
the pipes.
Still got it. Shoot. Nobody wants to share their pipe. Will somebody share a pipe with us, please? I'll go ask the neighbors.
You know, you could take a pipe off one of
Or you should tell me where I can stick the pipe. I don't know why I thought that.
No, there's a pipe here somewhere.
There's a muffler right there. No, look, a muffler pipe. Here we
Aaron,
go.
just light it.
Whoa.
Oh shit. Oh.
Skyrockets in flight.
Hey, Fawn, can you put the light over here?
Skyrockets in flight.
No.
We need a pipe. I thought so far it's because the neighbors. Do you have a pipe?
What's that right there?
Not a pipe. Not
Oh
pipe.
no, that's not.
There
You
we
have
go.
a light, flashlight.